Hello YouTube, this is Welch BMX here, giving you a bike check video. And alright, let's start from the front, move to the back, and let's start with the frame. The frame is a burgundy colored mongoose mode of some sort. I had to ground out the back to fit the 14mm. And yeah, I had to redo it, of course, because I don't think mongoose actually come in burgundy colors. And alright, let's start in the front. We got a hyper front rim with contact 2.25 tires with an 8-ball cap. Very nice on both sides. Forks are mongoose, threadless, and move on to the stem. We got a Sunday free stem with 8 rise fiction bars with a GT bar ends and grips, and we got the GT pedals as well. Pretty grippy. They're wearing down pretty fast though, so I'm thinking about getting new pedals already. Alright, and then we got the Mission Triumph 3-piece with the Mission Cypher 25-piece sprocket with a KMC chain, pretty tight in there. Might have to loosen that up a little bit. And then we got the Mission Function 9-tooth driver hub with a Mission X7 rim. Alright, there concludes my bike check video with the seat, a red line seat. And there's my bike check. And remember to subscribe to Welch BMX and JP BMX, and also ShaneGrandyBMX. I'll put their channel links in the description. And alright, peace.